Please go through the set once, try out the questions, and then you can watch the recording.
6 boys and 6 girls are out for a weekend. Each of the 6 boys, Abhishek, Bhargav, Chandan, Daniel, Emmanuel, and Farhan, was paired up with one of the 6 girls, Linda, Manisha, Nalini, Osma, Pariniti, and Rani. Each pair went for a movie of a different IMDb rating. The movies in the descending order of their IMDb rating are Hulk, Inception, Jaguar, Killer, Lie, and Magadhira. So, in this order, we have the movies which got their rating. So, Hulk would have got the highest rating, and then Magadhira should have got the lowest rating. Okay. Farhan watched Inception. So, we just have to map movie to the boy and the girl who would have watched that particular movie. Some information about that is given here. Let's first take a table. So we have Hulk, Inception, Jaguar, Killer, Lie, and Magadhira, with Hulk being the highest rated movie and Magadhira being the least rated movie. Let's see first point. Farhan watched Inception. So I'll just mark Farhan here. Next point. The rating of the movie watched by Bhargav was better than that of Killer, Lie, and Magadhira. So Bhargav watched a movie whose rating was more than that of Killer, Lie, and Magadhira. So Bhargav can be here in front of Jaguar or Hulk. So Bhargav should not be here. I'll just cancel B, B, and then B. Next point. While the rating of the movie watched by Chandan was better than that of Lie and Magadhira. So Chandan watched a movie for which the rating was better than that of Lie and Magadhira, which means bottom two. So Chandan could have watched Killer, Jaguar, or Hulk as of now. So we can just mark Chandan was not here and Chandan was not here. Next point. Abhishek's partner was not Linda. So we'll map this point once we fix where Abhishek is. Nalini watched Lie. So we have Nalini here. Daniel is not Nalini's partner, so I'll just cancel D here. The starting letter of exactly one movie's name was the same as that of the starting letter of the name of one of the members of the group. So for one of the members of the group and movie, the starting letter should be same. So if we see, the letters here for movies are H, I, J, K, L, and M. Boys' names are A, B, C, D, E, F. So none of the letters are matching the starting letters of the movie. And for the girls, we have the name starting with L, M, N, O, P, and R. So if we see, L and M are the letters in the name of the girls, which could have matched the name of the movies, but L is already mapped to N here. Lie is mapped to Nalini. So Magadhira, for Magadhira, starting letter is M, and here we should have Manisha. Next point. The rating of the movie watched by Bhargav was better than that of Chandan's. So Bhargav watched a movie for which rating was better than that of Chandan's. So we cannot have Chandan here, because if Chandan is watching the best rated movie, Bhargav should be above it, which will not be possible. So I have just cancelled Chandan here. Next point. Abhishek's group neither watched Lie nor watched Magadhira. So we don't have Abhishek watching Lie, or Abhishek should not watch Magadhira as well. Okay, next point. Pariniti watched Jaguar. So we'll just map Pariniti here. Next point. Movie ratings of Linda and Osma were greater than those of Osma and Rani respectively. So Linda's movie rating was better than that of Osma, and Osma's movie rating was better than that of Rani. So we can take it like this. And for girls, we have only these three places left, where the order should be Linda followed by Osma followed by Rani. So we have Linda here followed by Osma followed by Rani. And we just left one point where it was saying that Abhishek's partner was not Linda. So once we have got Linda here, this cannot be Abhishek. So let's see. The names that we have to map are Abhishek, Bhargav, Chandan, Daniel, and Emmanuel. Okay. And we already know that Bhargav cannot be here, here, or here. So either Bhargav is here or here, these two places. So if we are taking Bhargav here in front of Jaguar, Chandan necessarily should be below it, which should be here in front of Killer. In that case, Abhishek necessarily should be here in front of Hulk. I'll just write it once. If we have Bhargav here, this one should be Chandan, because Chandan should be below Bhargav. One point was saying that the rating of the movie watched by Bhargav was better than that of Chandan. So if we have Bhargav here, this has to be Chandan, because these two are not possible for Bhargav and Chandan. In that case, Abhishek has to be here, which also is not allowed. So this case where Bhargav is here and then Chandan is here is not possible. So let's go for other possibility for Bhargav. So I'll just erase it. The only other place left for Bhargav is this one, because these three cannot be Bhargav. For this we already checked. If this is Bhargav, Chandan should be below it. This is Chandan and this cannot be Abhishek. Hence that case we have eliminated. If this is Bhargav, now Chandan can be here or here. So if we take Chandan here, this should be Abhishek, because Abhishek cannot be in last two places. So if this is Chandan, this is Abhishek, or the other way around is also possible. If this is Abhishek, Chandan could be here, because Chandan has to be just below Bhargav anywhere. So if this is Abhishek, this can be Chandan. Now let's see what names are remaining. So we have already mapped Bhargav, Farhan, Chandan and Abhishek. The names that are remaining are Daniel and Emmanuel. So if we see, we cannot have Daniel here. So Daniel has to be here, and the last guy, Emmanuel, has to be here. So with this, we can go ahead and answer the questions. Who was Manisha's partner? We see that Manisha is here, and then Manisha's partner was Daniel. Answer for the question is Daniel. Abhishek was paired with, so if we see, Abhishek can either be here or here. So if Abhishek is here watching Jaguar, he was paired with Pariniti, or he could also have been paired with Rani. So answer for the question is cannot be determined. Which movie did Linda watch? So Linda is here, who watched Hulk. Answer for the question is Hulk. If Chandan watched Jaguar with Pariniti, then which film was watched by Abhishek? So if Chandan is here watching Jaguar with Pariniti, then Abhishek would have watched Killer. Which of the following statements is definitely true? Okay, let's see. Farhan watched Live with Osma. So we have Farhan here, he did not watch Live. Daniel watched Magadhira with Pariniti. Daniel watched Magadhira, but he was not with Pariniti. Emmanuel watched Live with Nalini. Emmanuel watched Live with Nalini. So answer for the question is Emmanuel watched Live with Nalini is definitely true. Let's see this option as well. Abhishek watched Killer with Rani. Abhishek could have watched Killer with Rani, but the other way around is also possible. Abhishek could not have watched Killer in the case where he could have watched Jaguar with Pariniti. So this is not definitely true. This could have been true or could have been false. So answer is Emmanuel watched Live with Nalini.